Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm using this peat-free multi-purpose compost with added John Innings. This is made by Westland, and I think I bought this from Morrison's. This says supports germination, establishment, healthy growth, and ongoing vitality. I've just put some strawberries up with it, and it looks absolutely mint. So let's get started. I've got a lot of seeds to do today. So yeah, I've got a lot of seeds to do today. Me and Monkey. Say hi, Monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, Monkey. All in this box here. Majority of these were purchased from Wilco. I got deliveries, and then I found out it was open on the I think on the 29th, I think Friday it opened. But we have Evening Primrose, really nice flower, Larkspur, Giant Imperial Mix, Delphinium Pacific Giants, I've grown this before, really good flower. Get some really nice tall flowers for the back of the borders with those. Wilco Giant Sunflowers, get in the bottom here. Marigold French Petite Mixed, another old fashioned one. Lobelia String of Pearls, Alison Carpet of Snow, Stock 10-week mix, and then we have down here some more bushes. Panties Swift Giants Mix, really vibrant flowers, absolutely gorgeous. And I went down to the shop and I bought these Cosmos Sensation Mix, one of my favourite cottage garden flowers. For the flowers keep cutting back and it carries on flowering right up to the first frost, and the sentinel is divine. Been through all those, I think. Yep. Then we have Lobelia Colour Cascade Mix. This was off the shelves at Wilco's. All those. And then I bought these online from Happy. Lobelia Pendula Cascade Mix, 7,000 seeds. Some tomato seeds in there as well. And we have some Gypsophilia. So that's everything we've gone through. And we are going to be using trays here. This size tray here. And we're going to be using the heat mats over there. So if you just see those, that's what we're going to be putting them in and putting them under cover. What I like to do first is, when I'm sowing this many seeds, is sit down, go through every one and see what it likes, heat condition wise, and then sow all those in one tray, so I can tailor my heater propagator just for that type of seed. So I'll sit down, have a go through all these, and then we'll get planting, shall we? Get some seeds. Welcome back, folks. Just been through all these. Just want to show you here, if I can. All these want a slight covering. You can see all those all the way along. That one. No, is it that one? Do not cover. But everything else wants a light covering. So we have all those there. Cosmos, Evening Primrose, both love all these. Alison, Carpet of Snow, Marigolds, Pansies, Delphiniums, and Stocks. This is the only one, Lobelia, that doesn't need to cover. You can cover it with a fine layer. It's not going to be the end of the world. They'll grow fine. So all these are going to get covered basically. I'm just going to write some tags out for them now, get them sown, and then they can go into the propagator with the lid on. I'll take the lid off during the day, coming early, because this time of year, if the sun gets on there, you're basically going to cook your plants with them being in a greenhouse, even when it's not heated. So first of all, peat-free compost. This is really from Westland. I really do like the texture of this. I've had peat-free before, and the piece of wood have just not been cut up enough that are in there, and they're not being rotted down enough either. But all this is nice, fine, and it's also got some John Innings mixed in with it. So yeah, I'll get this made up first. Yeah, all we're going to do is just fill this nearly to the top. It's got a lot of air in there, so lots of air in the compost. Get it spread out nicely. 2 seconds, folks. So roughly get to the same level. All I do then is my little block. Just use this and get to the same level all the way through. So all the plants have got the same mixture. There's no big air pockets for the roots to hang loose in there. So get some main tags made up next, and then we'll get on with some seed sowing. I'll just get the name tags in now. We have, there's going to be 8 in here. Hopefully that's not too many. I only put 4 or 5 in there. I'm trying to save some space this year. And then we have Alison, Cup of Snow, Marigold French, Pansy Giant Mix, Delphiniums, Lobelia, Pearls, Stalks 10 weeks. So 7. I thought it was 8. 2, 4, 6, 7. Cosmos. I'll make one for so I just found that Cosmos. So what we're going to do now is get seed sowing, folks. So I need to put a bit of light on for this, I think. You have his Evening Primrose. I'm not even going to try and pronounce the Latin name for it. Here's the instructions, folks. Just get a little closer for you. If you need to read those. There we go. So, hope everybody's keeping well. Really starting to get into it now. Back to some gardening, which I'm really enjoying. Hope everybody's doing okay. And I hope you're all going to get out there and grow your own flowers this year. I absolutely love growing my own flowers. So these are Evening Primrose. Quite big seeds, as you can see. I've only got a couple of inches to sow each one. Each line of seeds, that should be plenty. It's a great way to save some space. You grow what you need, not what you don't need. You're not going to throw anything away. That's the first lot done. Right, next is my Alison Cup of Snow. That's 50 pence, you can't go wrong. So February to May, and flower June to October. Here are the instructions if anybody wants to get a closer look at those. All the way down there. Hardy Annual. So get these to show you what's in here. As you can see, how many plants? Too many really. I'll sow all these. Just see this line here. Once you pick them out before they get too congested, should be fine. That's those done. Next one's are pansies, Swiss Giant Mix, 75 pence for those. You get 120 seeds. I'm going to sow all of these. So if I've got any extra, I can always go to the car boot and sell them, I suppose. These are quite big seeds again. You see those? Nice quality seeds. Just in line again. All the way to the end. You'll be able to tell the difference with the leaves when they germinate. So something you get used to. The more seeds you sow, the more you get used to seeing when the first leaves come out. What's the difference? Right, these are marigolds, French Petite Mix. These are really big seeds, so won't be so many of these. You can see then. See of those. So marigold all the way along. Some of these you have to supposed to sow deeper than others, but I think a good fine layer of compost will do the trick with no seedlings to get them to germinate. So the instructions are, before that back, still some seed in that. There are the instructions. The next ones are, what we've got, delphiniums next. So yeah, delphiniums. And the instructions on the back there, you can see those. Just sow those there. And now we're going to sow lobelia. Right, folks, the next one is lobelia. String of pearls. These are the instructions, folks. Good read of those. And we have 2,000 seeds, so somehow I don't think I'm going to be needing 2,000 plants this year. But see how fine those are? Absolutely minute, these seeds. Here, do not cover these. It says, but I cover them sometimes and they work out fine. Not the end of the world. I'll just chuck them all in there because they're so fine. So yeah, that's the lobelia done. Next, we're on to the stocks. Next one to the stocks, folks. 10 week mixed. These are one of my favourite flowers. Really do enjoy them. Half the annual. Full grown instructions there. These are the seeds for those. You can see quite large seeds. So what we're going to do with these is straight down there like so. There we go. And the next one is, I'm pleased to hear. Yeah, these are all have been sown now, which is great. So we have evening primrose, alyssum, pansies, marigolds, delphiniums, lobelia, stocks and cosmos. The only one I've not covered is the lobelia. But what I do then is once the road's sown and covered with a little bit of compost, put them in a tray of water, and I've set my heater propagator 20.9. I find that's a good average temperature that suits most things, and it'll stay at that until I come in during the day in the morning before the sun rises and gets the greenhouse too hot, otherwise they'll get cooked. Take the lid off, let them breathe during the day. So yeah, that is all those done. My mucky bench here, see all those. And for 75 pence, the most expensive one, the cheapest is 50 pence. You cannot go wrong, can you? 8 different flowers, so I shouldn't have to buy any more from the garden centre, which I keep stopping myself. I went to Morrison's and they had these, so I bought 2 of them. Trailing Fuchsia, Blue Angel, I thought they'll be great for the pots. So yeah, that's a quick guide on some seed sowing. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the greenhouse and if you like the channel, please subscribe and like. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.